Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, the most merciful. Welcome to the video lectures. It's lecture 5, class 3, subject English, book Grammar and Usage, and I'm your teacher, Miss Uzma. Contents: picture description, definition, rules to write a picture description, model picture, then description of that model picture, and at the end a home task. Okay students, there are some instructions for you. Be ready. Have your full concentration. Take out your books and notebooks, your stationery items, and you must be supervised by your parents or your elder siblings. Picture description. First of all, we will look at the definition of picture description. What a picture description is. Picture description is writing sentences based on the given picture. A picture description requires the writer to carefully observe the picture and describe it in the form of a composition or paragraph having meaningful sentences. So, by looking at the definition of picture description, we come to know that observing the picture carefully is the main point for writing a good picture description. There are some rules to write a picture description. First, observe the picture. Identify the main characters. Look at the objects. Use present tense. Formation of sentences. Paragraph and conclusion. We will discuss these rules one by one. First, observe the picture. Students, what you need to write the picture description is to observe the picture carefully. What is the picture all about? Which scene is to be described? All these things you need to mention first of all. For example, there are some pictures in front of you. So, you will write the sentence accordingly. This is the picture of a park. This is the picture of a birthday party. This is the picture of a school playground. Then, identify the main characters. The pictures which are in front of you, you can see that what are the characters in the pictures. There are children. In the second picture, there is a man and a woman with their kids. Then in the third picture, there are many students in the ground or in the playground. The third thing is look at the objects. There must be several objects in the picture. For example, there are swings, slides, green trees, sun, birthday cake, balloons, etc. So, the picture that have been given to you, look that picture carefully. What are the objects there? Just mention them and follow the sequence of the things. That is very necessary. Another important point is use present tense. Always use present continuous tense to write a picture description. First form of verb with ing. Sentences having is, are structure. For example, the children are playing, a girl is taking a slide, a boy is enjoying a ride. These are the sentences that have been taken from the pictures that shown to you earlier. Okay, the next one is formation of sentences. Students, whenever you write a picture description, your sentences should be short and easy and avoid repetition of words. Next is paragraph form. Always write your description in paragraph form, not in the separate sentences or in numbering. The next one is conclusion. At the end, when you conclude your picture description, your last sentence should be appealing. Students, you should check your punctuation marks, your grammatical constructions, and your spellings. Now we will do a picture description. Here is a picture in front of you, students. Let's start writing its description. First of all, you need to tell that what is the picture all about. It is the picture of a park. What are the children doing? We will discuss one by one. Many children are playing in the park. A boy is skateboarding on the track. A boy is taking a slide. A girl is enjoying the ride on the swing. Another boy and a girl are playing with the sand. Beside them, a boy is playing football. Two girls are enjoying seesaw. At the back, a girl is skipping a rope and one more boy is climbing a net. The weather is very pleasant. The park is very clean and there is lush green grass everywhere. All the kids are happy in the picture. Okay students, hope you have enjoyed today's lecture and you will practice it at your homes. At the end, I have a home task for you. There is a picture in front of you. Yes, you are supposed to write the description of the given picture and take two more pictures of your choice and describe them. You can write their description in your notebooks. Okay? Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.